Guys, this is Skylar. I am completely blind. I am autistic and I have a chronic heart condition. I'm sorry if you hear any noise in the background. That's just my mom talking. Anyways, so I have a product that my mom just got me today that I'm very excited about. First, I'm going to show you what it is, and then I'm going to tell you why I asked for it. Because I'm blind and all my medical conditions, I live with my parents, and my mom's the one that goes shopping. So I asked her for this product that I'm fixing to show you. And I'm going to tell you why I wanted it. These are protein bars. Mom told me these were chocolate chip. I've been craving protein bars for months now, but I asked her today to get me one, and as you see, she delivered. I'm not gonna eat one on camera because number one, I just ate some real food and I'm full right now off of my real food, but I'm gonna show you one. Oh, wrong way. In case you want to look at all the information, there you go. Mom told me these were chocolate chip flavored. Now the reason that I wanted a protein bar is, well, like I just said, I like the taste of them. But also there's a few other things that I like. Number one, when I think of protein, and I mentioned this in my protein shake video that I will link in the description, so look. Anyways, so when I think of protein, I think of one of my favorite words, cadaverine. See, it makes me smile when I even say it. Cadaverine is it's a quite odoriferous chemical made by the breaking down of lysine, which is an amino acid, which is the building block of a protein. So when I think of protein, I think of cadaverine because of the link that I just told you. Cadaverine is made by putrefaction or breaking down of lysine, which is in some proteins. So yeah. Number two, protein supplements like shakes or bars or protein, anything that have added protein, remind me of my favorite male celebrity. I only have one, and his name is Arnold Schwarzenegger, and he used to be a bodybuilder. I like his name, his last name that is, and I like his voice. So yeah, protein, anything make me think of him. Also, number three, like I said, Mom told me that these here were chocolate chip flavored. And chocolate has lots and lots and lots and lots of positive connotations in my brain. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I don't know, I usually have protein stuff at night because I only eat twice a day. I only eat breakfast in the morning and then a real food for kind of middle of the day-ish. It all depends on what time I get up. And then I usually have something at night like yogurt or milk or something to keep my belly from rumbling as I'm trying to sleep, you know? So I don't know if I'm going to have this at night. I think I'm going to wait and crack into these on Tuesday, because if you remember, Tuesday is the day that I give myself my shot. I have to take a once weekly injection called Ozempic to help my A1C lower and help me lose some fat, because I got plenty of it. So I think I'm going to have the protein bar after my shot is what I'm saying. I think that's when I'm going to have one. So yeah. And maybe the dopamine of having my protein bar craving finally satisfied will help kind of contradict the nerves that I might have, because my baby nephew is flying down today, and I love him, because he's my nephew, but autism and babies don't mix at all. And sometimes he makes me nervous, like when he screams and cries, and sometimes it's just loud in here when he's here. So what I'm thinking is maybe the dopamine of having these right here will kind of help negate, I don't know if negate is the word, but contradict or counteract, I guess is the word that I'm looking for, the nerves that come with having a baby in the house. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy this video. I'm very, very happy today. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and God bless you.